Alright, so good day everyone. Welcome to our topic and welcome to our topic about gas laws. So today I'm going to discuss about Boyle's law. So our objective is to investigate the relationship between the volume and also the pressure, but the temperature is constant. It means it does not affect with the volume and pressure of the gas. Second, solve problems involving changes in the condition of the gas using equation for Boyle's law, and third, give application of Boyle's law into a real life situation. So Boyle's law, if you're going to look at this, pioneered by Robert Boyle, an Irish scientist, discovered that the inverse relationship between the volume and pressure of the gas. So meaning, kung titignan natin itong graph na to, this is our pressure and this is our volume. So it means when we say inversely, as the pressure increases, the volume decreases, and vice versa. Or as the pressure decreases, the volume increases, or vice versa. So we have the units that we are going to use for measuring pressure and volume. Okay, for pressure, gagamit tayo ng tinatawag na atmosphere at ang symbol niya ay APM. For millimeter of mercury, may tayo symbol na mmHg. Torricelli, we have Torr, P-O-R-R, Pascal, P-A. So ito yung symbol. Kung nakita tayo ng ganitong symbol, it means ito ay patungkol kay pressure. Next, units of pressure. Remember that 1 unit, the unit equivalent to 1 atm, or 1 atmosphere is equivalent to, for atmosphere, we have 1 atm. For millimeter of mercury, that is 760 millimeter of mercury, equivalent to 1 atm. Next, we have 760 torr, and 325 Pascal is is equal to 10 to the 5th power of Pascal. For measurement of volume or liquid, so we have millimeter, ml, cubic centimeter, and we have liters. Okay, so Boyle's law states that the volume occupied by a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure if the temperature remains constant. Ibig sabihin, Boyle's law is the relationship between pressure and volume. And on the other hand, the temperature is constant. Ibig sabihin, hindi nagbabago, or it stays the same. Okay? So, our formula or our equation na gagamitin, P sub 1 multiplied to V sub 1 is equal to P sub 2 times V sub 2, where P1 means initial pressure, P2 final pressure, V1 initial volume, and V2 final volume. Now, let's have a try. So we have a problem. A sample of oxygen gas has a volume of 0.5 liters when the pressure is equal to 2.0 atmosphere. The gas is allowed to expand into 1 liter container. Calculate the new pressure of the gas at a constant temperature and amount of gas. Now, so we have here, let's have a computation. Okay, so we have here a computation about Boyle's law. So we have P1, V1, V1, and V2. So we're going to use the Gresham method. So Gresham method stands for G as the given. So what is our given? So our given, we have initial volume, which is 0.5 liters. And we have initial pressure, we have 2.0 atmosphere, and also we have final volume, which is 1.0 liter. Okay, so makikita nyo, so pwede na tayo agad mag-conclude dito, di ba? So if you're going to look at this, lagyan natin sa isang cylinder, gas cylinder, we have two, cylinder A and cylinder B. So dito sa ating cylinder A, so makikita natin, for example, itong A na to, meron siyang 0.5 liters, okay, at meron siyang atmosphere o pressure na 2.0 atm. Kung titingnan natin, the volume naman ay, ng final volume ay 1 liter. Ibig sabihin, twice ng cylinder A. Ibig sabihin, so dalawa nito. Ibig sabihin, check natin, siguro mga hanggang dito siya. Ano? So, yan, mga ganun. So, titingnan natin, kung hanggang dito siya, pwede na tayong mag-conclude. So, ano i-conclude natin? So, 1 liter. Ano ang kanyang, so hinahanap natin, what is the final pressure? So makikita natin, ano sa tingin mo ang final pressure niya? Mababa sa 2 o mataas sa 2? Okay? So i-check natin kung mababa ba siya o tataas. Kasi sabi na, as the pressure increases, the volume decreases. So let us, so R means required. Ano ba yung hinahanap natin? So we are looking for P2 or final pressure. So what is our equation? So we have the equation. Okay, we have P1, V1 is equal to P2 spin times V2. Okay, that is our equation. Since we are looking for the value of P2, so ano gagawin natin? We're going to divide both sides by volume, final volume. So we're going to cancel, para makita natin, magkaroon tayo ng formula for, yeah. So meron tayong formula for final pressure. Okay, next, letter S. S means solution. So let's have solution. So meron tayong formula na we have P sub 2 or final pressure is equal to P sub 1, V sub 1 divided by P sub 2. Now we're going to substitute the value of P1, which is 2.0 atmosphere, times, what is our V1? 0.5 liters, divided by the, what is our V2? 1.0 liters. Okay, so let us multiply. So 2.0 times 0.5. So we're going to use the calculator. We have 2.0 times 0.5. Okay, so we have 1. Okay, so we have 1. 1. Okay, we have 1 ATM per liter divided by 1 liter. Okay, so 1 divided by 1. So alam natin that is. Okay, so we have 2 times 0.5. We have 1. Then 1 atmosphere liter divided by 1 liter. So our final pressure is what? So let us cancel. Since pressure pinag-uusapan, ang ating unit ay ATM or 1 atmosphere. So this would be our final answer. Therefore, nung tumaas ang volume, final volume natin ay tumaas, ang ating final pressure ay bumaba. Ibig sabihin, nagkaroon tayo ng inversely proportional. Okay? So that's all about Boyle's law, the relationship between volume and pressure. Okay, so look at this illustration. So makikita natin the high pressure, pag mataas ang pressure, mababa yung volume. Then, that low pressure, pag inalis natin yung pressure, binaba natin, tataas naman yung volume. But, again, the temperature kept constant. Okay, so therefore, Boyle's law is the pressure-volume relationship and states that at a constant temperature, the pressure of a fixed amount of gas is inversely proportional to the volume. Okay, so this is your activity for Boyle's law. So, one of the example or application of Boyle's law, the mechanism of breathing. So, kapag nag-inhale tayo, may pumapasok yung mga gas, so the pressure is inversely proportional. So, when we inhale, the volume of our lungs expand, lowering the pressure inside the lungs. And as we exhale, the capacity of the lungs decreases, and tumataas naman yung pressure inside the lungs in comparison of the outside of the atmosphere. Okay, so that's all about Boyle's law.